Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator crisper cover. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new crisper cover. The crisper cover supports the drawers inside the refrigerator. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and the drawers aren't moving in and out properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up both refrigerator doors. Once you have both doors open, we can reach in and pull the storage drawers out. You have to pull out and lift up on them. Pull them out the rest of the way. Once you have them both out, you can set them aside. To get the center support piece off, there's a locking tab on each side. You just have to press in and then pull out on it. Once you have it free, you can pull it off and set it aside. Now we can lift the crisper cover out. You just have to lift up on the front and then pull out a little bit. Once you have it free, you can lift it out. You're going to have to turn it at a little bit of an angle and pull it out. Here's the old crisper cover next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you put the new crisper cover in, we're going to have to take the protective tape off. So we're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help lift it up and peel it off. Once you have everything off, we can put it into the refrigerator. To put the new crisper cover in, you just have to line it up and set it on the rails. Then you want to make sure the back goes underneath those little tabs right there. And you can set it down and push it all the way back. Once you have it in, we can put the support in. To put the support in, you want to make sure that the little feet on the bottom of the support go behind this little tab right here. And we're just going to rotate it up and lock it in. Once you have it locked in, we can put the drawers back in. To put the drawers back in, just want to make sure the narrow one goes here on the right. Just have to line it up and set it onto the rollers. Push it back into place. One on the left side goes in the same way. Once you have the drawers in, we can close the refrigerator doors, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.